you go. This is the land of the free. This is called a Davy Cricket. This is a child's 22, but it's still a very grown-up toy. This is teaching people to learn how to responsibly defend themselves and to eat. So this is just a 22. Yep. And once it goes in that little hole, just be very aware of the end of the gun where it's pointing now. Yep. Yep, and then we pull that back. And now you can walk forwards if you want. And just where you feel like you're at a comfortable place. Like, yeah. I wouldn't get too, yeah. Just in case you hit the, yeah, it's okay. Did you pull it back all the way? Okay. One second. Yep, ready, steady. That's not the right attitude. You did it! You hit it right in the middle. Dude, on his first shot. I mean, we've got a marksman here. Watch out, world. Dead center. That's called bullseye. Yes, sir.
Are you sure that's not real and not a statue? Oh my gosh.
Hey! What are you doing?
Alright. Yeah, it moved.